Eno achi ebeba wura na watwene nyina ensam hodo ehwe gu ye de bokotodwem na etwetwe aso na efrefre ni ma eko Facebook sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye de nyina nso asomo channel nso sensempai etwa na ho te se chinhia amfra mahia na etwa na ho a ena madam Fopa radio eno ye France abrochima mu Paris ahenkro no sada ena abenya wo ayiko wo ha na echire ponkron Kumasi santimantemu ehwana Kumasi sompanso wo ehwada braka babia 21st clinic wono eno achi ubenye wo boro ahenkro eno yesunwaye 98.9 na akwakofa hafo eduru domade a eyesompa 101.3 eno achi no 101.1 eyesompa takwa na 103.3 eyetakrade 106.1 sompa tachiman bono east ahenkro ya dwumbo so me na watwe edikan yekopa hontama sompa 90.7 eno ye nkransa bono east mountain mu enewo na fe yasanso atwa ye ho akogina decoder no so babia FM stations akintira wawo no ye gina hobi ye wo tune in ya kure ya www.somponline.com ensemi nyina okwa ase de wohwehwe amansan no ubehu ye wo ho ena fe YouTube nso sompa FM live anwumre apasamakafo asemufu asanse numu na kasebode mu wo mabona boa betu ye nimu a ye tesem no triple A Agya Appiah Apam Dadaa anwumre brei mene
Abena Badu Adepa Kwofi
ye ntwa ye homre afe yanshansam nase na yentutune sre ene abasa emfamawo ya shase afri mampani John Dramani Mahama trem se jata na boboa no de wotena jata nwoma so na wopenso nwede ne ho na ye fade afri na ansa na kwa Easter ebeba no wono mo sheda bodwa kese pa ewo Jubilee House ho abankesiem ene mpanimfo di nkomo ene wie wo kire se wono mo edisika botene pa ema wo mo a ye frɛ wo mo ntepere no a wo mo timi no adwuma ema afoforo nya biyo ede aso wo mo asene se de beye na afoforo nso kwa Easter no enye se wo mo kodidi anom akoforo awuru kotoku aba abetie sikeke na emom wo mo besan so kura anya enwuma afoforo ama afoforo a wo beba ho nso enya bia hwo na ene se kwa Easter na ba so a obrempon na kwaku ekokopie ho no se na mampani John Dramani Mahama wone ne dom no broni fremo entourage no wo mu nyina wo hobi na wie na mampani di tudwa se ansa na se ni so adiri hu we eba no enye kwa bra 2024 wo mu ba bepre Ghana konwa e wo abatuo mu no wo mu kwa Easter ne bi na eho a wo mu hwe dom a efiratifi anafo emfimfini atoye ne na afa baaye no ena etira Sunday pa Yewra Julius Debra wono anso ena woda asoafo ni nyina no chief of staff wode betudwa chese sa kwa Easter we no wono mo fa de kan won hyehye ho a amansan behia ho enti enye duru so saade a ebehia pa se eho no wo mo bodwa na watimi ni business oriented fo no ne entrepreneur fo no atumi ahia na adwempo edamampani ni so watimi di ato wo manim eno ena wo mo kokodwene ho a wo ye sa hyehye no na okopie ho no wachirachire die ntia na woka saa asemi na mampani John Dramani Mahama ewo kwawu mpuntu a wombetimi atu amagana nyina nya so mfaso no woka saa ne yensa ntwerofo ho tichiru obrempona na kwaku no
opportunities are being thrown up and we as a country must take advantage of those opportunities. From the era of the Cold War, we had the era of globalization. In all these stages, Africa continued to lose out. But I think that the opportunity is beginning to come for Africa because world geopolitics is changing. We all can take note of the trade wars that are taking place between the economically mighty countries. It is creating global shifts in terms of production, and this is the opportunity that Africa must take. And so let us shake ourselves out of the mindset that we are traders, because we can be manufacturers, we can be industrialists, we can be digital entrepreneurs, we can be agribusinessmen, we can be large-scale commercial farmers, we can be anything that we want. And so with the shift in the global geopolitics, new opportunities are being created. And as long as the Trumpian things continue happening, it makes the world a bit more unpredictable. And the more unpredictable the world is, the more opportunity it creates for those who have been marginalized for a long time. I want to thank Nana Chairman for the comments he made about the Afram Plains. And I want to assure him that Afram Plains is in our sight in terms of its agricultural potential and agro-processing. We've labeled Afram Plains a special agro-processing zone.
Eno Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ena wote se wo kase ni nyina no kwawu ensensemnoa na ewie no wo kire da so wono mo so yentia enam so ma kwawu mpuntuo no wono mo hyehye saade a wo mo hyehye yi.
Part of the campaign for the 2024 election, we came to Kwawu Easter celebrations. While we were planning the trip, my friend and co-conspirator, the Honorable Julius Deborah, formulated an idea that as part of attending the celebrations, we should organize a forum so that I could use it as a platform to explain what my economic policies were going to be and how they were going to assist business people to be able to transform their businesses and grow their businesses. And so we contacted a few business people, and they thought it was a brilliant idea. And so that is how the idea of the Kwawu Business Forum was born. But at that forum, I made a pledge that if God's favor shined on me and I became president, I will come back the next year and we'll organize the forum again, bigger and better. And that when I was coming, my relevant ministers, heads of institutions, banks, and everybody relevant for the growth of business. And so today, in fulfillment of that promise, I'm here with my key ministers, several heads of financial institutions and relevant agencies that can assist the private sector not only to transform but to grow.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and artist say wo kasa di ntie namoso ama afi kwawu no ayeda chen afi bia de no ena wa bie toyi.
Ebusia ye free kwawu na ho no kire se epoe matemu mepiemu ewo asante matemu na mania no so efri asante matemu ECG adwumakuo no efa wo ho no eba echiremu se enkwadamrante wa wanum de wo ma beti ketiketi wanum enkobaw na sebi wanum di bawade afei sa mafo asam wanum anim fifire wanum so obetumi asimontre ene yogurt family ubete pa na wanum apa bia ton wam do am si dabi wanum ti wado am sahwe mu damri fam na anadwo de suo mu a Ghana this year yakwa adwuma so abre ye rest no na fei ena ECG kabuso a wanum ate agusu a wanum atwa nam so ema abrante wa bako upiem wado ato empatam ho wasantemantam a wakotwa ECG kabusu ma so nim set hey nani a washi tum se kotale etini mpanimfo ebo amane a ECG fam a wanum ewo asante emantam kropon mo Kumase ediatu ja wanum chire mu sei wase wanum ehwe na amaniboi owura Benjamin obi entry ene sompa ya amaniboi ni ono to nkrafra santemantamu esom yan ene twetwe nkomo yi a wadi afutuo ekoma emabunu a wanum swade ya kabusu ena wama wia na bi chire won na wamu wu ni ye ha ye ho kopa besia ekwaye yie afa wawie ye wadi afutuo etato.
Yeah, it is how much by na no be mu na ye operator no ya do that issue no the question obi da for the ten say ye abemu e bia ni dia ko nkaka 40 years na ye ko da for the ten say okọ say na nka okwa akotutwa ya homa play wo ya advert substation na e wo advert wo ya comment ma station no honom na okọ so ko bitwa homa na bi na homa no e like homa na ma nyi kana ma ye be phone na homa no eyi ni born ma yansi ada da no ka say ye Abanta Watchana Namo, Abanta Wakabi, Tiani Seban is an Efra Police Command, no bad on the fire, that I got too much. Now, Eban in fact, they do Kanyano, Seneba, Ahomana Kapano, or you Chana Windman Channel soon. It's 3 years with Labus are post for this Mekuku, a moon, Apo, Morgan, Ebasama, Aya Kanyano, do they affect the beautiful born in the Dia, or work as a Pepano, Sierra, Mono, in Carrier, the Passe, Open, Damside, so far by Cassie Hono, I affect your moon. Senator, so pa no so edi enya kaka we adwuma na agye di no obo so beda sorry na obi akotwitwa ya homa na so obi akopie transform abofo ana se obi akotutu ya transform on yoma ni nyina ba ne sana nyim kana ne edu na ba ne sana ha isi dwumagine se ba yentumi emfa nyim kana me edifo na edu ha isi di nkwa no obo se san so edifo ne san se bi mo no mu nyim kana da pomp nsi ebi no mu nyim kana edi sua de ebi mo no ya sa be nyim kana edi ahwe ayare ni nyina na kana ni na edifo ni na ade yen ko yen nkwa no
Openia wakasa ye ena okasa edema ECG adwumaku a wanom ewa sante ematamo Owura Emmanuel Benjamin Obin entry ena yene no etwetwe nkomo ni nyina ne se adoato empotam hogada yi wanom agya wam de omso om nkwa ba no omadi ba wade ECG cable so ena wanom wi an wade afutu akoma wom ekyerewu ubewu wu ni nyina wahye se tum se kotale
Emmanuel ne kyerɛ sɛ nyame ne yɛn wɔ hɔ enti sɛ nyame ne ne wɔ hɔ anka obi ehunemu enhu die ntia esi ene mede wo kɔ Amansia West abato mpesua no so na ɛhɔ nso na manso esu enwunu ɛwɔ na wɔn mabɔ dwadata ayekeka wɔn mo nsase wɔn botae nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn besi community day senior high school ibi na ɛhɔ na honorable Kwofi Akyena wɔyɛ small honorable anasa assemblyman ɛwɔ mpotem hɔ na wo bon sam so no wo kyese sabre ya wo mani abre na wo pese wo ye community day senior high school yi no wo mo de fason paso na ekwa akirichiri amampani bete sanse mampani ene share community day senior high school na sese wo besisi bia man kronkuma nyina nya bie eno na nanka aboabofo wo aboabo community day senior high school abokum das ya ekwa wie sesan ye no na sa adwabo na se wo mo keka wo mo nsase yi ena honorable wo be kire de ntia wo mo de na atena gwam na domo atwa ne ho ahia na fe wo mo frɛfra mansan titiri wo mo a bibi wo wonsam sɛ wo mɛboa won emfaso ebeba so de amati mamufo a wo mpotam ho no ona bo biebie so de kyerɛ yɛn sɛntwerɛfo a saa bere no na wo mu gyina ho
ne ni twaso school wo su no obi ka dia na ahade na aka se wo de ho ni wo mo se kan ne de no wo ko na ka yi ma wo di maka se e ba wo na ene were twaso school baba se de wo nya afaso e school ko ya e wo school ono wo nya wo so afaso dia na etise ni maya waje edwa so be so o maya no so be nya e wo so na ni so ni mu nya se and transport school we do that so included na etise ene na bigla na what something na for yes what something ni ani na ya ba ka chi na ya bot for na ya community and share a student community senior na what I mean we na transport school our student group na that actually as you mind in as well for so na na mind so so you are one of us so na wo bua na bo kaya is so it jina
Honorable Kwofi Akyena assembly member small honorable ewo manso esu enwunu ewo Amansia West mansino mu na eho wo hempopro wo ho na Akyena kwagyan ena na na ekere emfaso pa ewo nwomasuya so titru wonum ewo nkronkuma mu se wonum nya senior high school na emfaso ebeba so de amati mamufo wonum a wo mma bekobie ene akyerɛkyerɛfo ebekira de wo nyina ene nso na bie so sei
de bia o baba ya ihia afɔrebɔ a Nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Abraham to Genesis chapter 22 ɔno ne baba akopɔn se ɔmfare mu afɔre pamfan kame Nyankopɔn ya ji saa afɔrebɔ no to ɛma saa afɔrebɔ no nti Nyankopɔn hyira Abraham sefo tɛsɛ onyuman afɔrebɔ bɛyɛ na mo nso bɛbɔ ɛde abɔ fotoɔ ama de me na na hyɛ aseɛ no ɛsɛ onyu nso ɛyɛ hyira ɛsɛ onyu adi ne yie
eno di papa no nana kwagya ne na ate sɛ no wɔ kasa yi manso ɛsɛ onyu no wɔ hen popra wɔda wɔn ma no
Edi papa de se de obi ade eye ma no yenyina so ani ewura mu ewo na watwi mu nso de efiti juada Monday ebesi efiada ensem a etwagu fredefede de ahim ewo oman konkron Ghana mu na yenyina ye ho yenka bi nhemu na Public Utility Regulatory Commission for ade krata pie dwa wonum kire mu se eba no enkane a ye yusuo enyama hoden a wonum apagya bonem ohamu enchichemu ebupan edu enan echipo eduoson enum 14.75%. Afei ensuo Ghana Water Company Limited. Enu so ye usuo wom so matum. Enu so ha mu nchichemu abupan enan. Hwe ene mienu 4.02% and woma pejemu. Na yei na Chamber of Petroleum Consumers ye twa wantia FM Kupeke. Wamusu eso mu no say, hey, what are you doing? Edia na mu yei Ghana kasa sese ni ehu botwa no mfa kora nhyem ye pa ye ho ayesebre ya no da bia se yi oxygen si ye so ye ICU ani ada no masanso aso abo ede aguso owura Samson Adey enso awono owe opani kase ya ofiri kopeke adwuma kwanem e kasa ne sam no ebini
IMF conditionalities are Omodema every quarter that is 3 months bianum ese yeto ye kania ane issue buomo nti wobehwa if last year say banyina na quarter biano na ya increase no nti say ya ne o reverse ye den kakra eno le de dinkan and then two after so no ohwe exchange rate losses because kania no amoto in dollars nti dollar no se cost no bria na ama si no ka beda hodnom nti se ntu se bi amba nti mi ankoba na ebe but the major concern here IMF for she say no makwa dey sakosha say e quarter bia na be pejemu no no ezo ka hu bi na masa ntumu we nyina eba aba no betimi ahwe say bia ntumu no bia na betimi ama ye percentage na perform ana say bia ye tumu quarter we no the next quarter bia betimi ahwe say ye be dey say bet hoduma the next quarter bia ye ntumi ntuma na say ye betum kra be kakra bi nti ye say bia say CD to dollar ratio no abano na measures for the before amobema yes no betini agina na ama niema ye to cables aye to copper aluminium niema bibira ye di electricity mujuma no ebo no ebetimi perform na say be the same in terms of inflation and say appreciation no na
ne krokro mu no ora Steven Adad ne nsama bawie ye e wabra wo kire mu e hawo a sa entumui ebenya e wo Ghana de hye no so sei no kire mu fine
because Nima Bokoso production baby I usually Kania. It is a Kania no more production your man and Kanina Bokosura, a Bemasika Mudia Juan Bokosura, in Tabassi Joshua, as almost to me, no more Pajay, Niman Boom, the Bay of Mitman, no more Omuakan and Kanaka, and see the major 10 year one, a Bemania Bokosura, that's inflation Bokoso, and I was Traya, as my phone should be off because the cost of production cost us a Muntinia, as my phone baby, the market down production, and see Yahania Sraban said, or Monsharam to an na Bianca Wayne the last one say I last not ya cost so quarterly there I'm a fucking idiot there a minor money say bunya din e maximum for obi biara o yusu kania head vessel babin shop coastal a production akase ni nyina no e be affect there because obi yusu kania o didi adwuma yes akwai ade say ya tete den say guna ti say ontimi ni bia fa ho ban dada na ho body tu e na ban na continue nti wa betena so a ontimi assessment ya bia ya san control wabeto so bani say ebia
Openia yatsin nkan head of pricing and monitoring ewo Kopek adwuma kwanim owura Samson Adey
IMF for ya yekọ ho fa yetafra boto ekokosugu wo mo so na yepebesia de beye manyiye titru yeto ahodo ayajeje a ensu yedi no won mo ba ya kache na wo mo ba ye no wo mbehia wo maye foto samfo yeru atoba forsen eno achi wo mai Ghana yesika krabia batan amena do woda no Dr. Johnson Esiama won mo hia wo mo na wo mbehia ye no hyehye pa wo mbefa so na ka ye dededa sabi ya kadebo yentimi ntue nwiye no kwa betimi asakra mu na yedi aduane no kra enam no ebi betimi aka na wo mo baaye no botae no nyina ye de buroni friend say economic credit facility wonum betimi aba bedada mu na International Monetary Fund for no womba boayen ama kana ye de ye betimi asaje bosia na ye de abobo oboyen ho kakra kwapem se enema betimi asesa na yewra Stephanie urodete ene wo baaye no wo bekere botae ntia wo mo baaye enye se bi agya wo mo ba bedan ye kase ma ye nidi ana ye nye bibia na mo nhyehyɛ papa wo mo de baaye no mbekire mo.
There is still more than a year ahead under this program, and you can imagine that the focus now is not to discuss what will happen at the end of the program. Now, you also had a question about the challenges and the trade-offs as the government adjusts utility prices between on the one side, the importance of those adjustments to strengthen the SOEs in the sector and make sure that public finances overall are sustainable, and on the other side, the implication that it has, especially for the most vulnerable. We very much focus on these two aspects. So think about the electricity price increase that PORC has announced recently. On one side, it is very necessary to strengthen the position of ECG so that ECG in turn is able to pay its bills to the energy.
Eno owura Stephen Rodet ate say wokasa yi IMF abrofo na soma no na wobai na obeduriye no na oman yafoto samfo eru atoba afosen wono nso ede na de to so botaye nti a wo mo bai na brofo chanchemra wo mbe kan emu nchire mu nso wo kire Ghana for.
I just want to add that we are extremely grateful, Stefan in particular, and the team for the great work done. It was a very difficult 2 weeks, a very intensive 2 weeks. It's not that simple, but it has been extremely difficult 2 weeks. The team from the Ministry of Finance, the technical team, they've been so amazing. They've worked day in, day out to achieve such a result. Can't say all of this without mentioning the Central Bank. Governor and his team, thank you once again for putting together a great show. As I've said, extremely bleak in the beginning, but today we are here celebrating the successful completion of the fourth review. I'm sure most of you, even the media, you may be surprised that we've achieved such a feat, but everything is possible, and it depends on you. If you are determined to implement it, you can implement it. But I want to again use this opportunity to assure the IMF stakeholders and to the Ghanaian people that the President, John Mahama, and his administration will implement this program no matter what.
No, you were to ban forcing. What my photo sample and I say, walk as a bra. Bruni Fita of free IMF. Stephen Rodet or Baha.
Na abusia ye ramu ewo enano Abena demu and somewhere by ye bie and ye gusu a ye de sum we enti we a Tuesday edition de na baako Abena no ebeto oja ye de esum wo every National Health Insurance Authority openi kase a wono oda no CEO Dr. Victor Bampo e de tuja wo kire mu se ni de Nyankopon ayadom Ghana mampani ani so ade hunu a wode ba ye se ye nuanom a wo mo sabo ho ato cheme nam so mu a wonom ekoda mfidi akese so mu ye so ni moja ni nyina so ni ewi presi foforo de ma wo ya huruhuru moja mu de ade a poto kasa me yefra wo mo se ye do ma koto dialysis so yi wonom a kire mu se eniema akade a wonom hia aban ni dibia ba centers makomako be saduro nti se ni de free dialysis amafo a wonom kidney ho ato chema ya de wo mkwato so no emu be pagya sei na Dr. Victor Bampo ede ne semtuja.
From last year, the previous government started the free dialysis program, and I think there are 20 centers where dialysis is offered free of charge. What we intend to do with that is to expand it, to make it more sustained, to make it go nation, so that instead of depending on, some kind of funds that are put in every year, it becomes like other diseases under the NHIS, under the scheme.
Dr. Victor Bampo, CEO, our no other National Health Insurance Authority, I know Ghana ha, and what you must say, so I didn't know about fret, and in dialysis, no, one bet me I expanded, and by this year, to me, Agya Appiah.
Well, my Ghana, say, ye can't amaya, one mutimate na internet so, na one would demand fast will be ba. Ye can't be pa, Brunica say, your quadrigators into digitalization, may be a kayen. Na no wono mo pa dombe se nipa ahenume hontama se wono mo ba beboa ene wotena internet ne ho a wonkura se kan sa na wonkura sofia na aso na so mfa so ebetimi afiri so aba ene o manye ebuburuja na wo mo pa hontama wa santema ntamu enkrama ntamu ha na wo chesa santema ntamu obi be firi ho bono obi be firi ho etifia puye ene manta hodo be sedunsia ne de be bia be firi ho a wo mo ba beboa ama wo man te eba se internet ne so ye paya sene mu a se tie bia ye be ho mfa so papa bi na bra enkasa ne koso no ene mampani John Dramani Mahama wono a wosi ta digital center yi wɔkyerɛ botenti a wɔde si ne mfaso ɛbɛba so de ama yɛn ɛne wɔn mo ɛde wɔn ho hyɛ mu no wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔn mfa ne sɛ wɔn adwuma a wɔyɛ ne daadaa na mmom ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔn ba betwa mu kɛkɛ.
The 1 million coders program is not just a fulfilled campaign promise. It is a strategic pillar of our Reset Ghana agenda, designed to empower Ghanaians with digital skills critical for 21st century life and work. It is an intentional move towards building a knowledge-based, innovation-driven economy, one where our greatest resource, our people, are equipped to create solutions, generate jobs, and be able to compete globally. At the heart of this initiative is our belief in Ghanaian youth. We believe in your creativity, your resilience, and your boundless potential. This program is an investment in our youth, an investment in their future as coders, as analysts, as entrepreneurs, and as tech pioneers. When I asked for your mandate to serve once more as president, I made a promise that our national recovery will be people-centered, innovation-led, and future-focused. And that recovery begins by breaking down the barriers that hold us back, social, economic, and digital. Today, we begin breaking down those barriers. Over the next 4 years, the 1 million coders program will train 1 million Ghanaians in essential digital skills, from coding and cybersecurity to data analytics and networking. These are not just technical abilities, they are economic passports, pathways to decent jobs, entrepreneurship, and long-term social, economic inclusion.
Mampeni John Dramani Mahama kasa wiye no ena omayi nkutahodie toafo Yerasam na te George jataka ne din ho ya wono ne ngo prampram ra hye badwani nso ekire sede wo mo ne wo mo a aben ewo internet ne so tekos no atimi akonte ase enwomom titru wo bo MTN group for no wo chese wo no wo Barcelona ene wo mayimu na ma hodo so a wo mo network etimi di bi edi dwuma wo no mo ne wo mo akonte ase enwom no won so sede wo mo siti ase fa ne mfaso a be firi so aba ama o mayi no wo no kan sei.
English, ladies and gentlemen, the 1 million coders program will provide comprehensive training in coding and digital skills initially in 4 locations and later spread out nationwide. Ghana India Kofi Annan Center of Excellence in ICT, where we are this morning, is leading the content creation and training of the program. The center has developed a standardized curriculum in multiple digital disciplines at the beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels, to create a uniform training ecosystem for all Ghanaians, irrespective of the part of our country in which they reside. The initial courses for the pilot include Certified Cybersecurity Professional, Certified Network Support Technician, Certified Data Protection Manager, Certified Data Protection Expert, Certified Data Protection Officer, Certified Data Protection Professional, and Data Analyst Associate. Mr. President, we planned to do the pilot with 260 students, but within the first 4 hours of announcing, we had over 4,000 applications. We decided to do a double track and do 520. As at this morning, about 30 minutes ago, the number of applications we have received is 91,847 applications.
Wano ena potoka semni yakase Minister for Communication wano Yura Samnate George ena atese wakase.
Na abusia ye ramu awo ukuada Wednesday enso dia ebeto montene ayede somwo no emu a. Opani akane no na oya mrahye bedwani a na osoma de hye awonom ewo anyasro tuom abato mpesro so. Onyanfo Dr. Dixon Adomako Kisi. Enso ene sompa ekase etwetwe nkomo ede ninsem tudwa. Ekire mu se wo hwe sede eniema ema ne musu hwirenhwiremu ema na se kura no electricity anyamahodene ye pagya mu so bese ohamu nchichemu bese du enan ne ekire afa ensuo so ye pagya mu bese ohamu nchichemu bese 9 eno so ne ekire afa yi wanum hu ya ne se sedi omapanini eye se Ghana de hia wanum ye adwuma a controller na counter general tua wanum ka no ya to wo market by 10% no eno se what where dey say robbing Peter to people. Ane sana de no etie se watumi apagya adehye no akatuam ba 10% na afa wasa so sa tuo se ya na se wasa so e di increment na PUS fo so e di ababa gugu niam so ani yakwa na se bai akwasi kwa no ankwa ma me afia kra be ka no tete ho afa so wase hwemu ade ono de bai se yi levi wo mo ye fo nyina hwe one way kotobe kuma say and on for Dixon
yes because we have basic salary increment of 10% na or the tariffs be box so that is a young coin rather than Yakoichi. And a buying Korea Omai now oppose the increment of tariffs during the Dadaa And Abena administration. And then Omo who said no, government operations, no, any total revenue bano to show up government revenue or even operational cost of a lot of services are taking so increase the price. But now nursing training so visa passport. I mean, listen, you're a bit serious. You know, it is not for just political gains. Or minor gasa to just be removing revenue handles. I won't drink revenue to support government service or operations. No, kind of 2 weeks, 1 month. So that means you have to increase your cost of operations. Media kakra mekana say omunya hwe na omunya adwane mo man no na yenka nokre because o hwe ye data ye wa mind boggling say adechi bia no weka tariffs on electricity. So then necessarily we are at the same place.
So you think
E-levy was 1%. Tariffs here, all of them are more than 1%. But invariably, we E-levy 1%, and now the tariffs over 4% of employers assume.
And what you know, on the for Dr. Dixon, Aduma Kukisi, Edene Sam to Asubio, one moment dear said ye na who NDC amanyoko eme famia miaun send one more opposition 2024 no krana na wamo ya campaign kra no amo kase wamo ebe de benwane tena so a enka wamo magana de hye entu ya to bio enso ye no ane sei na amene a eto no ye bi afri baabi ne ade baabi ko hyemu yi.
I'm not disputing the fact there's a need because mainly I'm not disputing the fact. Nemo no, ye kasamuno. Buying we answer but kasa. There's just a Ghana no we Ghanaian na untiareka. But I'm buy it all reality na hit your mind nekra kania insisuno. I think said yeah smelling the pepper Obibeka. And I no kwedie na hit your said there's no free lunch. Opeso ibibia na eka ewo ho na eka so ba ebusuan echetua. That's how it works. Inti say you wa buy mo ye ka say ebusuan chentua no. No mo se da bi da. And then what has changed?
Kanem Rashabedwani anu anu na suma de share wanom ewo enyaso troma ba chompesua so Dr. Honorable Dixon Aduma Kukisi and for God and country so and anu kwada woni penifo twetwe nkomo yi.
Na penny hankasa yi enye honko na wode fae na mum bra na wo mo bonkomo ewo pakese ya so ya na eura Professor Kobna Abochi otiegwam ewo for God and country so no na won kopere betu mu se Dr. Edward Omanebu ama wonu so afo hwe ye bambo ho nsam so e de atodwa no waka ne prince sese galamse ekun no wonu makon aduru baabi pa ama wo mu efiri amanfoforo so kura ba ha no yaka dodo na ato ama wo mu de wo musu eko won krum na wo mu nso a eye bibifo e wo ha Ganafo a wo mu mpe wo mu asase yie no nso dodo na ya so wo mu pa achi ama mra no e chinchim wo mu nsa na sankomo ihu na Dr. Aduma Kukisi wode etodwa no wache se eyeto adada no na yesanforo ho ehhehye ya osono kokuruko amanyuko yeto ho no na chine yefo ne da so akutam wo momfa afoforo bia emai na ya apam dada no a eno nso wo bo so sei.
Girl, I'm saying I don't think initial bold steps no are any different from there na Mekasada Galam stop ne Emunyama leading up to General Mahaman's death and all of those things. So don't we anything new? I am of the opinion I see a Shemukina more than what they are doing. Gold Coast, no, we have a lot of minerals. And see, improving on your technology for mining or extraction. And maybe that's my opinion. Send up per acreage, extraction in Benyano should be high, close to 80 or 90% when we do the work. And see, Medianka, I prefer say, and none should be our focus. Heavier equipment, better, approach to extraction. Na it mean minerals, send a factor in a very responsible way. I destroy your environment.
Dr. Adumaku Kisiana brought food in the Dixon, and artists and workers, ever for God and country see. Abusia, ya choosing what? Uchinzua, pe, Boroso, papa, nefe aposia, ebema seno ayefe, ebe yinumuka efriho, nakaka, ene yefunkeka kurebi mauso, ene Leicester Ghana Limited, womo aposia waya, yatunu is a yas toothpaste, and a mecam for mount, and a brush, papa, yas heba woho, yas heart and woho, ebe boy see we ye, and found any odo senaye, o de didieshi. Ana de ewesen tebese ni nyina ebefiri ho amawo na fita sesukyerema na me yaz no da menya heba no ewi ekura nka me de hyepa no modi esanse ne pampa mens na ewo mu no wanhweyi wo de ma akura so wonfa ntwi ne se a wo awanso mo ntwi a obedi ni nyina papa nso na we nso nya de ade twi wi a na oyefon keka wo ne bia enti uraba bia eto ade na jewode na enommo a eyabusuan kyemfa anwumre Nana Kojo Jesse Company Limited say adanse ho ne ma papa no menhwe benkuma na nifa breko a wo won krabata wo ba bia hwe na kira kwan firi de de hyase asedi akwa wie ni nyina wo obi ne ho nso na osika bi ekura wo no kwa onya adanse ho ne ma pato a esan so ye papa enkran kumase wo de bobon kuro ni din ba bia wo ho waye semfnama anwumere wokutaye mu na ye som wo Usifie ni wie na anya baabi di wutire to a ya mo wasom enye de na mafie ho ngi chinchim eno no Electroland Ghana ena eboa wo ene light anya abaho awie no ya plug niema washing machine wenchi ni jaye obowire nyina betutu fa washing machine no esi na wo ho henha wo kakra ewie a ya TV papa bi hwe air condition manframa pammo ho na kettle no eno ahiti nsuo ma onye wutim pampa no nom na awie a emo no enkwankwa we dansa na se breko a rice cooker wo ho e no de no ase enhye blender ene be yam bibia won sabako na wo de twi ade wo ayewo me be wie na eye oya no ni nyina be firi ho Electroland Ghana wona de we yaba sesei so won kan kumase ana wo takura de mankasim sunwane Cape Coast ba bia tamale wo ho sesei wo se won e wo tachiman bunu east men kan for mamo backside enchen ho a won se ka no 0245949495 na homa no hwehwe na kira kwan na womfa nepa emma 21st clinic asiatica expert ampa we pay setter won na twa asa no won na ye nhwehwemu mu yehu yade efre ne asiatica bra ye ba wiase ne ye nti bidda enti din ne ba ye bi kura ne nse ye nipadin ebi nso kura se ye aduro nanso de wamo na danta won na nimba bia na tokwan da won na ye nhwehwemu hu yade no enti ba research center bibrim ha de wo mo na di bia ba enti kan ho fa ya de 21st clinic yem nya hwehwemu ehu yade kon na yemo waduro wo mo ye hwehwemu no na ehu se de bia a wachia na wakuntunu mu no enye oto asentini na twetwen yesi ateka na ye osanko a aduro ba kon de beka ho haxa capsule sane mixture osatamfo etu osase na unyanom a kuro bi ewu mu ewu se ye yem kuro akoma ho kuro ahrawa ho kuro ni nyina bewu ene ntia pebinom na mom unim finhyadu mienu a enye mawo saa na wafa afuro wo ma akoda nofo a wonso ye nkamfo mawo wura ba bi etonro na je wode fre 0240238310 ya beje wo so na de ehunta wunhunu ye no ya ka ni nyina e de akyerewo na mo ye 21st clinic de a ye nkorabata na buru dunum wo man yimu kumase ye wo ho ehwada braka ba bi asompa FM wo no obenya yen eye nkrade a tantra he runabout na so ho Dr. Sister so wo ho obenya no ye wo ka so obomkwa no so dwamno mu ho afi sunwane Teaching Hospital First Gate Dr. Tomene ne domo ho ye behwe wo eye ba bi ti se techiman dia GN Bank Dadaa mu an ye wo sunwa kwa no so enkransa Victory Presby Bank ne hwe ni mo Children's Park nchen ho Dr. Mostando won ne domo ho wo hwe ayafo obeka he ne wagya he brekum go so oboase anasa henefa 0540311311 ahoma no ye na ye homra ye ba ensema aka akire na awotwe mu ye de brew na video of the week so wanko Sompa FM live YouTube ho a ka ho share on Facebook Sompa 106.5 na won so beje wo de fakoye start.
Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu ji international awards ahodo, wo mu ji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji se 21st clinic nkwa wo mu die bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mom ade pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso wo de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic still wo me sciatica expert medo edra no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfim me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se efei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enukratrodo, Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa. Sawo Pedudu 2 Ewon Kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050 161 9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abedwaso, abeboy.
Na ede na aya obayi a oda former son ye funu mu emunumu ni.
Oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi be benfie pi nanso ne yam nwono da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwe a ebe ya nwanwa
Menyi ni say what ulcer tamfo hexa capsules any hexa mixture yanum bom kotia ulcer no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dada ulcer drogi eno ani hexa capsules any hexa mixture
akom ni nkyeremu
ulcer ye kura eto ye funu ene ensunu mu etuma wo ye funu ekeka wa wogire wo ho a enyi ulcer etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie so how eye ulcer de a kope hexa capsules any hexa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudu atu a ko okanshi drug lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228555
Apinfo abatan ya woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfie dumienu enka ho
Haxa capsules ene ne mixture
all satan for edie age adwadie nkratoyi yi atom
Chimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuni Amapani Nanswabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma sorry dino, and that's a backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Roberto Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa count. Now, when in Bribi, Edicam for Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's a rabbit idea. Can who now say now?
Sumpa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa Ampa Ebusia Sompa 106.5 FM. And we Easter Saturday ekasiye ene yede som anwumre yi na ena no ya wada no emusam ene yadrei ya wada ne die beto oja echemu se MPP amanyokuo na sade esuni na ordinance deche 2024 na ekwa wi ase ya tu abawie ye krim wosuni ya kwa shaft from se kofo na sade wanum kwa shemu na mu adini nti na kyase omo we poto na mu adini na ho akohia se wanum be set committee na sa committee yi ekwa hwehwemu de nti ama wo di ntwopoto se na wanum committee no na wo de kane speaker of parliament eye onwanyamfo right honorable Mark Aaron Okwei echiano na wo yi nipa makomaku du eka homa na ye du ba konti 11 member committee na obuhwehwe mu wie ba bia mantam du sia ni na everywhere they went wanum ekoye na no kwadai wanum so ma wie nti wam kwa present wam report edema MPP amanyoku na Justin Frimpong kodua JFK eye twetwe for pani edema amanyoku yi na wone samtwerefo ekasa ya wo kire mu se wam aso mu se akua wam ache ne tennis ball wanum so ete we 9 member committee nipa nkron wam kwachena se no ma hwehwe mu afi wam emfa mu asemmia matudwa nienti amufa mu asemmatudwa na wo mankasa ko anako mu afei wanu mo tete se ebinim kasa wo mu yakopis mienu na ka ho wo se da bi wo mu yakope 1 ekome se de ne sam ekoye no sompa kase nto asomo
enche na yeti abedeku bi a from review committee ayura Reverend Professor Dadaa no say omonhwe party no yanamantu odwuma ye or 2024 elections no me koyi enorman koyi ene committee need omo report every national council ama national council so a report nim national council so report nim no you hu say your constitution you was a political party no esakaka krabit mabam enti enam sa so nti ati abidoku a omo so nipa enkono say ombehwe constitution ni proposals e wo era makoke report ni na omatu party nefu na baby a constitution ese sakaye bam sakaye timabam
osuru kokroko amanyoko MPP wapania watwerɛtwerɛ de ma wonom ayo nenya for Justin Frimpong kodua JFK enwo ne samtwerɛfo kasa yi ese report ne de omo de aba omo kwatena se nipa nkron ko hwem wo ya dan wo so ma antimu asem bi da enso wo ya dan so samtwerɛfo so se hono ma
yefiri ane pepe for de yesu a ene na ye toa so akwa kowie ne fiada kronkron a Kristo wo wui e kwa obi pono so ye de dom efiri atifi anafo apoe atoye mfimfiri nyina kobodom pem ane wo mo kohwe bi ewi okoforo ahuru kotoku ene nam so ema so afo bede akire a wo hwe akwansra ho nsam so honorable Yusuf Isaka jaja wode tudwa no wa kire se de friend ne se sa ahuru kotoku paragliding no emfaso e wo so na de ede baaye na ewie ye nsu etokora wo mo pilot foi ejina ye sansa na visibility ne nye na ekowie babi ombe fafiri atwa won ho na ede wo makwakosi kokko park no so no pani ekasafa ho experience ya na ewom.
Paragliding is an exhilarating sport that offers breathtaking views of our stunning landscape. It is worth noting that paragliding has become a national event of tremendous popularity in Ghana and abroad. I am thrilled to see visitors from around the world gathered here to experience the thrill of flying. It is a reminder of the incredible potentials we have as a destination focused on promoting domestic and international tourism. My regional minister, let me take this opportunity to attend a special akaba to all domestic and international tourists, particularly those who are visiting this scenic Bohu Ridge and participating in the paragliding festival for the first time. I encourage you all to bring your families and friends to subsequent festivals. The festival not only showcases the natural beauty and diversity of our country, but also highlights the uniqueness of our natural resources, our mountains and forests that are not just tourist destinations, but treasures that reflect the very existence of our country.
Yusuf, Honorable, one on the Deputy Minister for Tourism and Culture Creative at Kahon, say a Christopher Quebeca say Joseph, and Isaka Kahon, and say Christopher and Quebeca say Isaac, and F. Jaja, and the natural young Cropon and Cassa. Well, no, ene ete ne nkan
Nania abusia share your Facebook no so Sompa 106.5 FM video of the week no na ya fan to na de wa be ho ani so ade mesra wo se uja wano ana wafono a wo de besere e wo ho no mo afaka ho na efa share your Facebook no so sisi a Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sompa 106.5 FM Accra share your video of the week na ya nyina ya hwemom na sede asam no etia no wanya me na me be kire mu amo hu sede tie fili gadochi wani sam na wa hu sede ade no etie sa so we men kan so obolotu yo se wo boshi yo se we no waye kukurikuyo sede video no etie no wo de share ho sisi abrabra be hwade esanse ade no afe se wa hu se nyankopon timi bo ni papa bo adama ifu na wawie wase edintrom montena ho eniama ewom nuane ewom babia mo betimi afa enuaba betimi adi bibia bi enso de esin fifini no kra de nyankopon se don't touch am say afa don't touch am ade yi sa sister kakraka yi na atamade yi enwade asie baby fe share Facebook no so Brabe hwese de nyankopon ade aduaba no esieye sanka ema Adam mfane sankoka wobi ahu de ye Adam de ne sakoka aduaba yi ema sister oboshi osobolotre aye de ne to Facebook yi so sisiye watamade yi ekohye ye Sompa 106.5 FM brana ba hwade entini sade apam dia hinini
menim sa homa so na no wona mu say dia ensure
mo oya dia
nyame hu ye mobo
wetimade na mama hu ye pa
pacho wo ye be ma wantimi amba Facebook ko share or YouTube Sompa FM live ka ho behwe bi na mom Facebook no Sompa 106.5 meme hu na mane o yi bam katachi a nyame abowo na bebesia achemwa wo ade anko
abusiafo mo amo hye yen e wo Facebook no so wo ankasa wo de pesa de ade iti
wo ma ya abere ne nti
apam dada sam na wo
ten
woni wadada
na yen tem sa de be ya abere no entia yen na entia won so
apam sanka apam di wadada enka asem yi anka wo kan wo Facebook yi
so odode o mo se
sa de breda yi etumi wey aya carry and go wey aya carry and go and chop we carry and go and chop entini se we no se odo no na afra brother na ni o de wadwen kire no foto Facebook no so mayen
o ha onim dogima eno ntira se wonim dogima nko obegina half alfa ne nsa atwene nko wan san na chi enkon ye chawa adwa
pamwe se dogina sam a wo kan wo se dogi no wansumpri wutu wansumpri wutu
dogi ntina okwakoto homa wo frotena na chi no
Debbie when mo de mimi hu ne se e love brand odoni fry I love brand e love brand
okay
wadoni fry
e na akura so opade kokko ahwa yete dam na ma kire no
aha na de kire no
wo hu kokko enti kokko no won ti hu dia enti wo de kan akro so
Debbie say Facebook for one Debbie.
Oh my.
You describe ya we you describe you are not describing. We want you to come and view.
We hu enyantanwi.
Come and view it.
Ye de atoso yi no e na free ho a ofa social media be hia no.
Yes.
We brown new and brand new.
Any na brown.
Brand new.
Brown new.
Enti kan ho behwe bi.
Brown ya color.
Ofa TikTok wa wu hia no.
TikTok.
Okay.
Entino
na fa sex nso a wonhu no
ento dia wa mo hwe o Facebook no so no
Sompa 106.5
we odomro so mo ana se eye de ade
a wo de ne brofo kora obetimi atwera to
aha odomro so brofo wa hu na ka odomro so brofo no be kan zan
wo se
odomro so brofo be kan
odomro so
ane
so odo na ye love no
ane
na bro so no nso e
too much
okay love overdose.
Love overdose. Obi so beka say
love too
much.
Love brush.
And I love too much. And I love brush. More than.
Okay.
What do so? Enti Facebook fo no. Say dia wo hwe. Abuso mo tonso ni mo. Asem na re ho. Wa hu no.
Be ma na ntomu. Be ma ni twem.
Any kind of what do you can't trim?
What the
where trespasses?
Had you? Oh, the can't trim.
Anne.
Bema Kukodru. What you make crossway?
Yes, trespasses.
I know Barnum ran or bony trumpeta. Say, Bema in doggy. Jesus. No, but we say, wouldn't doggy man or country homa or fruit trenechi. No, Marcotia Tumno.
And to know when and not one cassa Adia, we say a bridge you, say a pass over, say a flyover. Flyover, dear, to fly over the Dasso. Where flyover dance was a baby and Quebec said, and so Chenny we know. When you're Chenny, and you Chenny, and Lumpen Pruso, as a home. Oh, beside dear here. Titanic love, yeah, no watch on quack. Titanic love, or Dotan time, or no, Titanic and oh, my, yes, and as you can honor for Facebook or some power 106.5. Okra won't for Hoda. Oh, my Hoda. One share on Facebook. Send about to our doorway, dear. Now, for messages so bright. I'm not tracking it. Oh, fast on not working. Oh, fast on another messages so come home. Memphis so quite. For message tattoo. May we say, oh, so by hobby. Say, and soon I want to mono. And your odomus 20 and a bemani cherry, and so at the power of Mercury room. As a galam saying, soon be. Nasa wedi and Kaya China memu. Okay, one chrome to some grand better. I'm not better. I'm not better Mercury. Say, I'm Mercury no granny in the crew. Someone said the idea. Yeah, I your dog. Yeah, Bema dear, when I swakodi, carry and go and chop. Swakodi, so do swakodi, sana, member, they put me at the beer, and I'm social budinti. Swakodi, carry and go and chop. Okay. I was your Facebook. And that the brown. Now, wait. Minim camera Maya. Nyabutter. Don't describe that thing yet. Okay. Don't describe it yet. Happy statue on Debbie. Well, you say, dear, Facebook, kind Facebook message. You would say, why the fast? You will say, honorable maybe in cancer body. On each time, I don't know who Appiah. Then I'm not with me for Chinny so. And I want to me as well, quitting tones rooms. Okay, teacher constitution, we are more you. And what's to say? We dear happy statue honorable maybe in cancer body. Because they be or on our say, financial. Now, yes, for adventure, Ebra. And I was a happy statue all Ghanaians. Here, among for the Kukrumutine, but like, I said, we ask for or the Mawo or Henana, Mensa Jipini. And Isaac ya offering cum was a Titanic love and Titanic now one my serious no more. Also for the brandy and can now we see the idea we have master kwasa mrongo we so nsabrobe ya dia master konekodia yeah apam like san ka be so and na fonten time and then come apam be so dia fonten time and then no cre wa wani tia san ten time ntimi mfo and so wanya idea we pa be fonten time no cre Share. Oh. I will see our Facebook so another video on the line. Another video. Okay. Yeah, the two Facebook so they have share. Well, maybe a mechanic say ye. Jesus Christ, my God. So 106.5. Yeah, common can one say. Deliverance and I know more bono. We're saying, hey, naked. Na camera mine is in Yada. My Facebook for an ember. Sad video when we have what you saw. What you saw is what you know. And I'm a boy. Aha. Dear, and it is Facebook. No, Canabra. Said your sister in 9 na echo oh your sister na say brother wait a sister hey said the 9 million na ko wiem na de say no so we ni bia we were by say we nya they say David tire ni bia debut enye turumu ni bia we nya botre don't mention kora okay my Facebook for family kora na mu hu kan ho answer we by say 150 die musa we by say ana David what by say? Yeah. Papa is say. Prince Bafwa Samo say we never work alone.
Isaac, you're for him. What's my oh,
when I said you're bisexual, mummy, no. Now,
say, I'm the camera guy, no. Some part the old chat camera, no. Oh, Trevi be a clear, no. Young friend. Yes, but for someone. Some part you guys should employ the camera guy.
Camera guy, yeah, dear.
Oh, baby,
yeah. Doctor does the first time you dear.
Wow.
You're going to the back road. Said you need Jenny. What's me at the camera? No,
one was that
2 idea so.
Nipan one moon anymore. Now, so. Tokrom hodie camera no
bread a bit baby okoto ye no akonya no okoto bread no
ono so twen no kon
ase wonhwe ase wanyinani ase wonhwe ase wanyinani na mimi hu ade tuntum bi e won finfini ho
wo hu tuntum ne nchen
papa
we the friend is saying sunyendra ho no bi na hyenui
dabi na nya diedra ho a
enye sunyendra ho no bia. Wow, what a wow.
When I net wine.
Share.
Nanya net.
Now, said you will see a bisect, you know.
Where bisexual? Well, what Sister Nankasa, no agenda and them. Would they say, who should visit?
No agenda.
Yes. What the agenda and them? Na a dear son.
And I call say, walk up a jan no crown on who am one. The Okoya. Oh yes, no abana or them to Makota papa hono. On na de ye nwanwa.
Apam senka we wa wani to ya say, who ko achi nyina ya hwase na.
Isaac ya oforin kum say I see and saw something be.
You see and saw what?
No,
you see and saw what? Isaac nkum. What do you see and saw? Yasemo. Oh, abusia ya na munyi na amase. And amase we ye release stress so bend dey. Edu me ne da bia saa na ye no.
Na adepa yan kan kire wo mo a. Efiri dumie nu anajo. E na omo so omo data.
E from night king and queens.
Wonderful. Dumie nu no bo a. Memfa ba bia ansa kosompa 106.5. Na kohwede edi gu hoi. Na onso fa biye o start. Nemom e fa dan for radio Paris, France. Efaiko FM Kumase, Efa Sompa 93.1 Kumase, Efa Sompa 101.1 Takwa DJ Ken, no wahine champo mo. Sompa 103.3, Sana Sompa 106.1 Techimai, Sompa 98.9 Sunyane, and a Sompa 90.7, and Young Kransa Sompa 101.3, Doma many masas a paso, decoder no so, na yejina ho, abribia kwa, yeho. Facebook is on 106.5 Accra and also on FM Live. And then on YouTube www.sompaonline.com and seminina yeduku. Nemum na sibi wo 21st clinic the sciatica expert na di ama wo mo na Kojoje Company Limited or ton adansi ho niema Haxa capsules na mixture o satamfo no o satewo so doctor ka kire wo anko ba bia ko pedrebi Electroland Ghana techimai wo ma bi nkurabata e de aka nkran Kumase Sunyane Mankesin Cape Coast Takura de Tamale de no ho na afi aposen papa ye de twi ensenti abribie timesre hwa ya yentete ntasungu amansan so no yas toothpaste ene ne brush anwumire wo mo ne ka ye ho a yewura prince atabo ate ne kase bodamufo eka ho na Facebook YouTube abansiarfo de ye nko ya ye miamia afidie funuma ma anuanu mieno triple A mine Agya Appiah Apam Dadaa mene
Abena Badu Adepa Kwofi ya crow.
Yes, sciatica expert. Sciatica no, when nerves ne wo to ase na fa wo siremu, na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho teche ma, eno e sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu, wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magye no Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu gi international awards ahodo, wo mu gi local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bi the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bi brem ha no, ebi ni ba bi a gi se 21st clinic nko nkoa wo mo de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert medo edra no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wo si o do na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum so a enyu anase de ehia me sem fimfem me biem na wo hwese me se aye fita sesrechi ahoma na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se efei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enucrotrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Ebusian Chamfa. Sawo Pedudu 2 Ewon Kran Ha, for Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abejaso, abeboy.
Na ede na aya obayi a oda forma so ne yafunu mu emunumuni.
Oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi be ben fie pi nanso ne yam nyo no da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwe ya ebe ya nwanwa
Minyi ni say what ulcer tamfo Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture yanum bom kotia ulcer no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada ulcer dro de eno ani Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture ulcer ye kura eto ye funu ene ensunu mu etuma wo ye funu ekeka wa wogire ho a enye ulcer etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie so how eye ulcer de a compare Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudu atu a ko okanshi drug lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228555 Apinfo abatanya woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfiedu mienu enka ho Hexa capsules ene ne mixture
ulcer tamfo edie age adwadie nkratuo yi atom
Chimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuni Amapani in Answabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front of Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma, sorry, Dino, and I said backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Roberta was Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa count. Now, when in Baby, it count for Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's a rabbit idea. Can't hold and say now.